What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the garage, brother.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga?
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rapper, I'm slinking crack or mook.
Guys, about the giveaway, dude. I was thinking about it. This is my old one, the one that I'm giving away. I was putting some more thought into it, and I was like, you guys don't want that one. You want the one that's on the car. This is what everybody's asking for. That's what everybody wants. And I was also reading a lot of the comments and stuff that you guys sent me, a lot of the messages saying to run it for a little bit longer than a week. A lot of you guys get paid every 2 weeks and such. I'll tell you what, dude, what I'm gonna do, see, this started on June 27th. I'm gonna run this for 1 month. 1 month, okay, to give you guys all a little bit more of an opportunity to get the wing, just to be more fair, you know what I'm saying? So this is gonna run until July 27th. July 27th is actually my birthday, brother. I did not do that on purpose, okay? So the giveaway is no longer for the old wing that's got some body damage on it, that needs a new paint job. It is for the wing that is actually on the khaki Civic, bro. The one that everybody wants, you know what I'm saying? All you have to do is the very first link in the description below. Click on that. That takes you to my merch store where I have stickers up for sale. Buy a sticker, bro. As soon as you buy a sticker, that puts you on the list. And on July 27th, my birthday will be the day that I'll be scrolling through that list, and I'll figure out some kind of cool way to pick one of you guys and send you out that wing, dude. But most certainly all you guys that have an EF Civic, make sure you enter, brother, because I know you want it. I know you want it. Shiloh sent me a picture, and if you can tell in this picture, is that the 2JZ in the car? What is this guy doing, brother? He's doing shit without us, man. That's what I'm getting ready to do, is run over there right now and see what the fuck's going on. This fucking Mustang, dude, like, dude was on my fucking ass, bro. Anyhow, huge upgrade on Max. Brother, we now have fucking air conditioning. Yeah, that's me rolling my motherfucking windows up, because it's cold as hell in here. All right, back to dodging Mustangs. Gotta stop a quick trip of course. Max and I both need something to drink. Here. I'm parking up here. I'm not parking in the street today, motherfucker. You have to get over it. Oh my fucking god. You guys ain't even ready to see this. Woo! Look how close that intake manifold is, bro. Jesus Christ. Holy crap, this is crazy. Alright, now obviously a lot of stuff is just kind of mocked up right now. He has the intake manifold just kind of chilling, and then the turbo is just hanging here from his engine hoist just to get an idea, you know, of placement or whatever. Do you have a turbo manifold, or you still have that one built?
No, I don't know. I might be able to find one that fits.
Yeah. He has the car down on the wheels now, so all the suspension's back on. The engine is actually bolted in there. The head is torqued down. The timing's set. Shiloh, brother, you've been putting in work, man. I can't wait till I get mine back, bro. It's gonna be the same way. It's gonna be raw, attack it, man. Gotta get it done. So you're gonna make like a hood scoop or something, or you're just gonna leave this poking out?
Probably just make some pretty thing that goes around it or something. I don't know. We'll see.
Gotta hide it, bro. If you just think about it, if you put a hood scoop, motherfuckers gonna see you and be like, Ricer. You know what I'm saying?
They're gonna think I'm a Ricer.
Dude, they're gonna see the hood scoop and they're gonna see the wing and they're gonna be like, fucking Ricer.
I'll
What the hell is this guy doing with his little single cam Civic? You know that's what they're gonna do. Gotta put a hood scoop, bro. Big old cowl hood. Alright, he still has to put the transmission mount on the car. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is just jack the car up and get the transmission mount in. So I came over to help Shiloh, and I mean, what can I say? I handed him a wrench. How you doing down there, Shiloh?
This is supposed to be easier.
He's almost done. Don't listen to him. He's almost done. You ready?
Yeah,
Oh, hang on. It's not out of there.
oh yeah, duh, I got my mount in there backwards. Alright, I need a 14 mil.
Alright.
Like you said.
You want to put that rod back in there?
No. It's just hanging right now. Actually, loosen up the motor mount bolts here in a bit. Let them reset.
Alright, transmission mount's in. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass, so it took a little bit longer than expected, but he's gonna move his Yukon out of the way, and then we're gonna roll this thing out into the driveway so we can do a little walk around, dude. Actually see what this car looks like, not in this fucking garage. Gotta let the car get a little bit of daylight every once in a while, you know what I'm saying? Plus I gotta take some Instagram pictures. It's kinda heavy now. I would help, but I gotta record. Sorry. Damn. First sunlight in how long? Get it, Shiloh, get it. Gains, bro, gains. Oh shit, goddamn fuck. What is that? Oh, the window trim. Alright, I think we're gonna hose it down really quick. We're gonna hose it down really quick.
Got dust all over this.
Yeah, I think she deserves it, bro. She's been sitting in there for too long. She needs to be hosed off.
Heavy raindrop out here on my one. Rain like this. What the spell you need? Stop, stop, stop. Heavy raindrop out here. What just what all the rain and night light so loud and clear. What just felt your need?
There it is, guys. There's your fucking update. What's up, bro? The engine's in the car, transmission's in the car. What's next for the 2JZ Civic, Shiloh? What do we gotta do?
We gotta take it to Paul. We gotta get a few things buttoned up and then wiring.
Wiring is gonna be a big thing. That's like the last big thing, right? Is wiring.
Yeah, getting a turbo kit and.
I mean, you guys have to understand, dude. Like, obviously the mounts, they don't make a kit for this, and that goes the same for the wiring, bro. They don't make a kit for this. So, as far as Shiloh's build, those are the big obstacles that he has to overcome. Those are things that are expensive. Those are things that take time. That's what makes his car one of a kind, bro. And I'm surprised. I mean, he's getting his 2JZ swap Civic done faster than I'm getting my B series Civic done. You know what I mean? So coming together really good, man. Definitely looks good. I mean, you guys be the judge, dude. Let us know in the comment section what you think. How do you think it's turning out, man? Because I think it looks fucking amazing. Holy shit. Especially that block, bro. It's like glowing. Your block's glowing, dude. Still think we should have done Barney purple, but you know, it's fucking glowing. Action.
This is the custom fuel cell that Paul made. So down here is 2 feed lines, -8. And over on this side is the stock fuel filler. The fuel cell is going to be below the floor here. So we'll connect these with the stock fuel fill setup. And then the feed and the return are both going to come under here and pop out here. And I'm probably going to be running the fuel lines through the car and then pop back into the engine bay through the firewall. Yeah.
Adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, if I may, if I may.
Shiloh took the camera.
Dang. Whose car is this?
Yes, sir. It's coming together, bro.
I feel better. I can just push it all around as one piece now.
Huh.
Instead of having everything everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright. Welding, fuel system, wiring. That's it. Won't be long.
And then first startup.
And first launch, like a motherfucker.
And then
All buck wild off of
and then drifted into a wall.
You guys ever seen videos of that guy with the sand rail went all crazy all over the streets of California?
Wilkie?
That's what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna do a Wilkie video? Huh?